So finally the wait is over and we have reached very close to the temple of Sri Kedarnath, and you can have the view of the Himalayas glacier and at the same time the Sri Kedarnath temple, and it's such a pleasant view that I think nobody can stop, looking at for hours and hours. And yeah, बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि finally we reached here, and yeah, feeling blessed because everyone is not capable of doing that, and और इससे बड़ी खुशी ये है कि हमने ये बहुत ही कम समय में पैदल चलकर ये दूरी तय की और बाबा के दर्शन किए. थैंक यू.